How to delete YouTube videos from YouTube channel on mobile. Now you can definitely delete YouTube videos from YouTube channel on mobile, but for this you will need the YouTube Studio application. So download the YouTube Studio app from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've done that, make sure to log into the channel from where you want to delete a certain video. Now once you're here inside a certain video, you can tap on the three dots option next to that video and select delete video. Now in my case, I'm not saying delete video because I don't have admin access to this. I only have the editor access, but if you want, you need to make sure you have got admin access. So you can also try to switch to the account which has got admin access and try to delete the video from there instead. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and then continue from this particular account right here. This way you'll be able to delete YouTube videos from YouTube channel on mobile. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.